there somewhere. He had to go turn off pivots apparently. What are you drawing?
Okay, for kite. Yeah. Did you fly a kite yesterday?
No.
Oh, you didn't? What were you holding on to?
Let me see, how do you draw K?
Good job.
I don't know how to draw it.
Let me see.
A K. Draw over that one. The one you just did.
Follow the dots.
Start at the top line. Top. Libby, show her. Start at the top of the line. Right there. And then you go down. Go down.
Yeah, down
on
to
that
the bottom.
No, on the K line.
Okay.
Well, she just made a heart.
Okay.
Out of the K. That's skill right there.
Good job.
I made a heart.
You made a heart out of the letter K.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, not many people can do that.
Yeah, I did. Draw. Start at the top. Go to the middle line. All the way to the bottom line.
Yay!
Woohoo! Try number 4. Start at the top.
Hims is Korabe.
And around town.
Nobody else noticed. Just saw him. Hey, Jaden.
You want me to show you how?
Daddy's back. We'll see how soaked he is.
Oh, dude. You didn't even get wet.
A little bit. My feet got wet.
I'm kidding.
I didn't get wet.
That was stinking crazy.
Too bad.
Why do you have to turn them off? Why couldn't you wait until it stopped? So,
Some of them yes, some of them no.
like what happened? Like why do you have to turn them off?
You don't have to turn them off immediately, but you just at the end of it, you just put too much water on.
So why would you willingly want to go out in that kind of craziness and not wait until it stops?
It's not craziness.
Well, that was absolute craziness.
Oh, you haven't seen craziness yet.
That's what I tried to tell her.
Yeah, well, no.
She said she'd rather have a hurricane.
Oh, okay. We were supposed to go out for breakfast, but considering it was storming and we are not going out for breakfast,
Consider what?
Autumn is making eggs,
What did I have to dig out?
and we've got some little sausage patties, and we are just gonna do breakfast at home.
These are amongst the fluffiest eggs I've ever.
And I'm editing a vlog, as you can see.
Yeah.
Cookies in my plain meal. These are my plain meals.
Hi, excuse me, don't mind me. I'm just gonna change your diaper real quick. What are you telling them?
Nothing.
Tell them what you're gonna eat for breakfast. What's Autumn making?
Oh no.
She's making eggies. Can you hold your dress, please?
I can't. I'm working on it.
I know, right? That's why I usually do
Hooks down.
extra. Feel better. Here, excuse me. What? You make coffee and then you put ice in it?
I put
Yeah?
an ice cube in it because I don't like to.
Look at this ice though. I couldn't break it up in half. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Doc, for taking all my appies away.
This ice is wet.
Ice is wet.
Shut up. Shut
Who would have thought?
We don't say that word in this house.
Wait, don't let Jax inside. Get him out.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Ow.
Dog. Doggy.
Jaxy boy.
Doggy.
Ow. Jax, watch out. Oh, I almost fell down the staircase. Okay. How do you like this one today? The rain is hitting me on
kite.
La 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 la.
Watch this, Autumn.
What?
What?
Oh my gosh, did you even get water in your boots?
Yep.
Do it, Keith. Woo!
The bees don't march in one by one. Hurrah! Those monsters one by one.
Jax, you little terrorist. Oh my goodness. Jump on it, Jaden. Yeah.
Autumn, look.
Oh no! Our onions! They're all gone! Yeah, I bet you can jump to the top of the sunflower. Whoa, that was like so close.
How tall was that?
I don't even know, like 7 foot at least.
Autumn, look.
Oh look, we got lots of banana peppers and cucumbers that should be picked. Don't pull it.
Look how big this is. Holy mackerel. There's another one. Oh, look how big this is.
No, that one's not big enough yet. Look at this one. Dios mío.
Whoa. Let's get it.
Wait, is he allowed to get that?
Ah!
No, Jaden, don't.
Oh, there's green beans though.
We're gonna ask Mommy first before we decide. Let's go show them this ultra mega huge cucumber we picked.
This is so cute. Alright, Xander. We're going to put him in the tubby. The tubby. We'll see if he did what you did, Jaden. Do you know what you did when we put you in the bath for the first time?
What?
You pooped. No. In the tub. You pooped in the little tub, and we had to quickly get you out and change out the water. Once your butt touched the water, you pooped. That's why they call it poop duty.
Funny.
This is dangerous. I got him all exposed.
Let's go with the viewers.
This is the moment. Oh. Cold on the back. Cold on the back. I'm getting the water going. Here we go. Here we
Move
go.
his pajamas, Jaden. Away so now.
What? You got any stories about your first experience? Sir, how did you like it? Nothing to say? Cat got your tongue? Tell me the truth. Really? A little louder next time.
What are you doing?
You gonna take a good nap?
What are you doing there?
Closing his diaper. Oh, why did I put powder on him? Oh my gosh. That was so cute.
Don't cry.
I'll put lotion on you later.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and